Merry Christmas to me. I was doing my last bit of Crizzy shopping this morning and ducked into Big W and thought I'll have a quick look, and lo and behold, I found some cars that I've been searching for ages, just sitting right on the shelf. I couldn't take a video, there's just too many kids and just too much noise going on. So I'm wrapped with what I found today. I've been after this bone shaker for so long. So I finally got myself a bone shaker. That will go with my hot rod tournament, which will happen very soon. So wrapped with that. I also picked up this other hot rod called a Street Creeper. So that's pretty groovy, a bit different. I wasn't too sure about it, but I thought, you know what, look, it's $2. I'll just get it. Why not? It'll add to the collection. Also, I found another gasser, another 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser, just with a different paint job. So my gasser collection is slowly growing. So I'm wrapped with that. Yeah, very nice. And also the last one I got was a 64 Nova wagon gasser. I do have another 64 Nova as well, but it's just got a different paint job. I've got it right here. So they're the two 64s I've got. Very hard to find these. I've struggled to find the wagon gassers in Australia. There tends to be a lot of these ones floating around at the moment. Hey, but that's cool. You know, we have a gasser competition, a gasser tournament. And so that brings my gassers up to, I've got 4 now. And I like to have 8 for a tournament. It just seems to work really well. And it's not a huge workflow with the tournament, because it is a lot of editing, a lot of graphics, a lot of music. So anyway, that set's complete. And the other thing is, I now have 8 hot rods. So I can now officially start building a hot rod tournament. I'm going to start it myself, and if you guys have stuff you want to send in, go for it, you know. You know, they can, yeah, just send them in. If you want to send them in to race, just do it. So I've got 8. I've got more coming probably in the new year. Once we get over Christmas, I found a bloke who's got some more hot rods, and I've negotiated an excellent price, which I'm wrapped. I did buy them off eBay, but hey, that's how it happens, you know, in Australia. You know, they just come in and they just clean the shelves out. So, yeah, I don't know if, did I show you this one the other day? I managed to get a 32 Ford. I can't remember if I showed you that one. But it's going to be interesting. He feels very light. Very, very light. And same with the bone shaker. He feels even lighter. So I don't know how he's going to go on the track. But hey, I'm wrapped. You know, I'm wrapped that I can start a hot rod tournament. And this guy here, oh, he just weighs a small fortune, this guy, the tail dragger. He's very heavy. Look at that. It's like solid metal, this guy. So yeah, there you go. That is what I scored today. Very wrapped. So yeah, very happy with the results. I'll catch you guys later.